Hello friend, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Study, your true oil wizard. I am SN Hawk and today, as you know, I have come again with the current affairs of 28th May. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe this channel and allow all notifications to get reminder of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, to stay protected yourself from coronavirus, please wear masks because this is the only way to protect yourself from the surge of COVID-19. So friend, stay safe and save others. So we go to the first question of the day. Sienna Rao, who has recently passed away, is related to which field? Do you know who is Sienna Rao? She is a famous scientist. So option C is the right answer. Some information about Dr. Sienna Rao. Sienna Rao has been honored with International Award in 2020 for his research in renewable energy sources and energy storage. He has been working in hydrogen energy, very important. On November 16, 2013, she was selected for the Bharat Ratna as the third scientist after C.V. Raman and APJ Abdul Kalam. So, he is the third scientist who get Bharat Ratna award after C.V. Raman and APJ Abdul Kalam. So friends, second question of the day. Recently, who has awarded as the Spain Stock Princess of Asturias award? So recently, Amartya Sen, that is option B, has honored by this award. He was awarded for social science category and this award is given by the Spanish Prize Federation. So friend, third question of the day. Recently, which vaccine claims that it is suitable for all ages of 12 or above child? So recently, Pfizer, which is made by BioNTech, claims that it is suitable for all ages of 12 and above child. So recently, Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine informed the government of India that it is suitable for all aged 12 and above children. Pfizer will supply 50 million COVID-19 vaccine to India in 2021. And recently, Oxford Moderna vaccine also claimed the same thing. This is also important. So we will go to the fourth question of the day. Which organization is going to send the first mobile robot to search water in moon? So recently, NASA will send a mobile robot to moon in search of water or ice. Some information about this: National Aeronautics and Space Administration has announced its first mobile robot to the moon in late 2023. The name of the rover is Viper. It will search for ice as well as other resources in moon. So NASA founded in 1958. So friend, fifth question of the day. Sehat OPD is launched by which ministry? Do you know the answer? The right answer of this question is option B, Defense Ministry. So recently, Defense Ministry has launched this. It is a digital medical consultation that will provide health services to the armed forces personnel and ex-servicemen. The present Defense Minister is Rajnath Singh. Very important. So we will go to the sixth question of the day. Recently, the president of which country has ordered its intelligence agencies to report about the origin of COVID-19 within 3 months? So recently, option C, USA president has ordered its intelligence agencies about reporting him about the origin of COVID-19 within 3 months. So US President Joe Biden on May 26, 2021 ordered to report within 90 days whether the COVID-19 expansion emerged in China for an animal source or a laboratory accident. So USA will search the source of COVID-19 vaccine. So seventh question of the day. Who has been elected as the president of Syria? So option A, Bashar al-Assad has been re-elected as the president of Syria. The presidential election in Syria on May 26, 2021 has the second since the beginning of the Syria's uprising turned war. The capital of Syria is Damascus and the currency of Syria is Syrian pound and the legislature of Syria is People's Council. So we will go to the 8th question. Recently, who has won 2021 Monaco Grand Prix? Do you know the right answer of this question? The right answer of this question is option B, Max Verstappen. So 78th of the Monaco Grand Prix has taken place from 21 to 23rd May 2021. It is originated in Monaco, France. Very important. So friend, we will go to those questions which I provided you yesterday. What is the name of the Parliament of Afghanistan? The name of the Parliament of Afghanistan is Sira-e-Meli. And second question, World Commonwealth Day is observed every year on which date? So every year World Commonwealth Day is observed by 24th May. Third question, Sanjeevani Pariyojana is launched by which state? It is launched by Haryana. So friend, 3 questions for today which we will give answer through comment. Who will become the Director General of CBI? And second question, what is the name of the capital of Philippines? And third question, which country will host this year the G20 virtual summit? So friend, you will give this answer through comment. So that's all for today. Please like this video and share this video. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, that's all for today. Good morning and goodbye. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.